These mid-cap marijuana stocks could just be what your portfolio needs. So far in July, we have witnessed a lot of positive sentiment regarding cannabis stocks. Many of the most popular marijuana stocks to watch have shot up in the double-digit percentages during this time. Now, this is not to say that all pot stocks are winners, because that would not be true. But if we look closely at a company's business model, we can usually figure out several aspects of where it may be headed. This could be anything from the revenue that a pot stock is bringing in, all the way to what type of losses or debt they may have. With this information, we can begin to create a better picture of where marijuana stocks to watch may be headed. An interesting marijuana stock to watch. Village Farms International Inc. is one of the most popular marijuana growers in the industry. Village Farms stock has continued to outperform a lot of competitors in similar areas of the cannabis industry. Since mid-March, Village Farms stock has shot up by as much as 179%, which makes it quite substantial. One of the main reasons for this is the company's underlying business model. Over the past 5 quarters, Village Farms stock has remained consistently profitable. This is because the company is extremely efficient in producing cannabis. In addition, the Village Farms have access to more arable space than almost any other cannabis producer. A few years ago, the company signed into an agreement to create the Canadian cannabis producer that would be named Pure Sun Farms. This joint venture was created with the intention of producing large quantities of cannabis at lower prices than most others. A small MSO marijuana stock to watch. Columbia Care Inc. is one of the leading mid-cap multi-state operators. The company is not nearly as well known as some of the larger MSOs in the cannabis industry, but Columbia Care stock has shown a lot of potential in the past few months. The company has several states that it is working to gain a big foothold in. This includes Florida, New York, Illinois, and more. Now, these markets may not seem to be the largest, but they have an extremely high amount of growth potential. Columbia Care stock has continued to be considered a pot stock to watch because of the markets that Columbia Care works in. Currently, Columbia stock has a market cap of around $620 million, which is not incredibly large by any standard. But the company has been able to consistently grow revenue over the past few years. Analysts have stated that in 2021, the company could push its revenue as high as $400 million. Whether or not that prediction comes true, Columbia Care still remains a leading pot stock to watch.